First, log into your Pipex.ai account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to Billing and Quotes and select the Quotation section. Click on Create New Quotation to get started. Begin by searching for an existing customer. If the customer is already available, simply select their name. If not, click Add Customer and enter all the required customer information. Next, open the Add More section to fill in the customer's address details. Once you've completed the information, save the customer profile and verify that the customer name and address are correct. Now enter the quotation details. Next, add the products or services included in the quotation. For each item, enter the item name, description, quantity, unit price, select the appropriate unit type, pieces, kilograms, gram, meter, inch, etc., enter the HSN code, and choose the applicable GST rate. Repeat the process to add multiple products. Once all the items have been added, review the pricing section, enter the subtotal, excluding tax, apply any discount, add the applicable tax, and include shipping charges or other charges if required. The system will automatically calculate the final quotation amount. After completing the pricing, add your terms and conditions and include any additional notes for your customer. Enable the Include signature in this quotation option. Before finalizing the quotation, click Preview to review all the details carefully. Finally, click Save and mark the quotation as reviewed. You can then send the quotation directly to your customer via email or schedule the email to be sent at your preferred time. Congratulations! Your professional quotation is now ready to share with your customer.